Good day, sir. I am Christine May Morales from BSTM2 and I am reporter of Lesson 8. The topic is travel documents and health issues. Passport. A passport can be defined as an official document issued by the Department of Foreign Affairs or competent public authority to nations or alien residents of issuing country. Travel agents should ensure that clients understand that individual during wishing to travel to another country usually require a passport. The client's passport is valid for the whole time spent traveling. Clients are made aware of any other regulation relating to the passport validity. Some countries require the passport to be valid for up to 6 months beyond an individual stayed in particular country. A person whose name has been added to the passport issued in another person name is never permitted to travel using that passport unless accompanied by the person to whom the passport to originally issues. A passport is normally valid for either 5 or 10 years, depending on the country issuing the documents. In the Philippines, a new law has been passed approving the validity of the passport to be 10 for 5 years. Minor will remain to have 5 years valid passport. A passport is normally valid for all countries unless exceptions are noted. A passport that has passed its period of validity beyond the date of expiration show the biodata and page containing the various photograph or that has no future room or visa or entry or access stamp is generally not accepted by immigration authorities and must be replaced by new one. Check the passport expiry date. Children over age of 16 are normally required to hold a valid passport issued in their own name. A passport remains the property of issuing authority and can be withdrawn at any time. All passports generally contain similar information. These include: first is family name, second is given name, 3 is nationality, 4 is date of birth, 5 children, 6 sex, 7 holder signature, 8 given name, 9 place birth, 10 date of issue, 11 authority, 12 date of expiry, 13 observation, 14 holder photograph. Most of the above will be self-explanatory except for observation. The passport is issued in replacement of passport number L87656R dated by June 3, 2005, reported lost. The passport is issued in replacement of passport L87656R dated June 3, 2005, reported. Other travel documents may also be instead of passport subjects to allow by the authorities at origin, transit, and destination. These alternative documents may include: first one is a national identification card or ID card, 2 is travel certificate, 3 is military ID card, 4 seaman discard books, 5 affidavits of citizens, 6 is government issue birth certificate, and 7 is machine readable passport. So we have e-passport, non-machine readable passport or old passport. Makikita po dyan sa picture, meron siyang has no biometric chip. Kumpara dun sa e-passport na meron siyang contain of biometric chip. And nag-iba yung kulay niya, parang kumintang. New biometrically enabled passport or e-passport contain a contactless integrated circuit chip on which display data from the passport, biographical sections, and certain physically identifying persons such as facial image, iris image, or even fingerprints image or encountered. Types of passport. The type of passport currently issued are outlined in the following section. Normal passport. Most countries issue normal passport to citizen nationals which comply with the definition given in the previous section. Alien passport. This type of passport may use to individuals living in the country, even though they are not citizens or national of the country. Children identity card issued by some countries only instead of passport to minor children who have not reached a specified minimum age. Yan yung pre-passport na pinakita dun sa unang picture. Yung normal passport, yun yung kulay ay brown. Then, yung alien passport, siya yung blue. And the children identity card, siya yung orange, official. Diplomatic or consular passport issued the diplomatic, consular, and other government official on mission entitling the bearer to diplomatic or consular status under international law and custom. Other passport, International Red Cross, and licensed passers, safe conducts, travel documents supplied to refused and or stateless person. These passports are issued by international organizations such as United Nations and the International Red Cross are generally accepted for international travel subject to certain additional requirements. And official, special, or service passport issued to government official or the person on government mission. This type of passport has to be specified by the issuing authority. Other travel documents, other alternative documents of identity as described above may be permitted for international travel some cases. Travels to the United States. Currently, visa-free foreigners travels to the United States under the U.S. Visa Waiver Program or BWP must hold a machine-readable passport containing a digitalized photograph 9 instead of traditional photo of pics to the passport biodata page. Western Hemisphere travel in a native or WHP. Since January 2007, as per the United States Western Hemisphere Travel Initiative or WHT, all passengers are required to present a valid passport when traveling to or from the United States to Canada, Mexico, adjacent, Caribbean, islands, nations, and other countries in Western Hemisphere. Advanced Passenger Information System or APIS in airport security in the area of international air travel, many countries have instituted Advanced Passenger Information System or APIS, including the United States, that affects all flights into some cases of out of country imposing the requirements. In the U.S. application, APIS is government-run automated system capable of performing database queries on air passengers prior to their arrival. Therefore, for all flights to the United States, the following information will currently be collected. First is complete name, date of birth, citizenship, gender, travel documents, issuing country, the travel document type, travel document number, and travel document date of expiration. And the last one is address where visitors will stay on the first night of the intended visit. Liability limitation. Airline may reserve the right to the refuse transformation of a passenger if the passenger lacks proper documents for the country destination. So, meron tayo ditong visa type and we have an explanation. First is visitor visa, also refers to entry permit entry, visa, business visa, or travel pass. It provides right or entry to another country subject to satisfy immigration authorities all the point entry. So, parang yung visitor visa, yun yung pwede kang pumunta sa kahit anong lugar, yung pwedeng, kumbaga, kahit, yung, di ba, yung pag yung walang visa, pwedeng mahuli. So, kailangan, pag yung manginibang bansa ka, may visa ka. So, transit visa provide right entry into another country purely the purpose of making travel connection on with the third country. So, yun. Yung transit visa, provide mong sa another country. Yun. And transit without visa, many countries have made agreements that allow others, TWOB, national to transit their country without the need to obtain a visa. Regulation related to transit vary from country to country and should be checked. Re-entry permits. Where necessary, their permits entitled travelers to return to their country of domicile. Exit permit, the entitled travelers to leave a country. This permit may be necessary for citizens to leave their own country of domicile. Exit permit may be required by foreign nationals to leave country through which they had been traveling or expiry date. Stranger visa. We have 4 types of stranger visa: airport, transit visa, short period visa for 3 months, and the 4th one is long period national visa with valid in country of issue. The travel insurance policy, the benefits of insurance. People travel for many different reasons. For business, leisure, to visit family and friends. It is the agent's duty to explore a client's reason for travel in order to recommend sustainable travel products. Travel insurance companies pay high commission to travel agents, so selling a policy earn extra income. Travel insurance policy. Insurance policies can be obtained from travel agency, clinic, bank, especially shop, and directly through insurance companies. Clients often have a choice for different levels of coverage. When travel insurance is purchased, a certificate will be issued, showing details of coverage and, importantly, a policy number. It is wise a photocopy with certificate and leave a copy with a family at home. General details of coverage and common exclusion. Death and permanent disables coverage, accidental death or personal accident. Inclusion, normal coverage, those not usually applied to accidents caused a connected to what insurance companies refer to a hazard or dangerous sport. Clients may pay a higher premium to cover hazard sport like horse riding, rafting, trekking, wild water, canoeing, and etc. Medical and other related expenses coverage. Medical and dental charge, repatriation, and short and rescue. Inclusion. In this section, there will be many inclusion and details can be found in the policy documents. Luggage, personal effects, and travel documents. Coverage is passport, ticket, and travel documents, money, luggage, delay, or loss. Exclusion: some policies do not cover loss of cash. Other policies limit the amount of cash that can be replaced. There are often limits on the amount that may claim for personal effects. So we have some of risks covered by travel insurance. First is trip delay or cancellation. Third, and next is trip interruption. Third is hospitalization and claim. Four is loss of baggage and personal documents. And five is unexpected hotel accommodation. Personal liability. Coverage against causing injuries or damage to people, country. Cancellations, curtailment, misdispatching. Coverage protection against the needs to delay or cancel travel arrangements due to illness or death of the policyholder, traveling companion, or family members, etc. In this section, the possibility of examination failure can be covered. Travel trade industry protections against the travel agent or company becoming bankrupt. Legal expenses, general condition applying to insurance, considered by vary but is useful to be aware of some general principles. Policyholder must take all responsible steps to prevent accidents, loss, or damage. Insurance documents and claim procedure. Agents should show the client's insurance documents once it issued. It is important to check and identify the following names of those covered: policy holder, address, policy number, period of coverage start, the end, date covered by the policy, by the name, and type coverage per se. Claim for and procedure. Always advise your clients to read through the claims procedure before they make the claim. This procedure explains to policy holders what they need to do if they wish to claim from their insurance company. In emergency, notify your travel insurance company. Provide as much details about situation as you can. Fill out your appropriate travel claim form as soon as you can. Attach all supporting documents relating to case from proof of payment to medical report. Submit the claim form and all documents to insurance company. You can claim will be assessed and received. If there is no issue, you will be reimbursed accordingly. Some more general points to remember are: first is claim should be normally may be writing. Full details and circumstances leading to the event must be supplied. Receipt bills, official valuation or estimate for the firm must be provided. A police report must be support claim for the loss. For claim for medical expenses received or account will be needed. Proof of having booked itineraries is needed if claiming cancellation. Written confirmation must be given of when and how the delay occurred whenever claiming for public transport delay. Quote the policy numbers, bone all correspondence. Help and preventative measure for travelers. The key is successful international travel is making sure that all travel documents are in place, but another elements of travel pre-travels is taking precaution while away. Health. Travel health depends on the departure preparation day-to-day healthcare while traveling and how handle any medical problem or emergency. Health preparation travel should make to try sure that they are healthy before they start to traveling. Immunization vaccination provide protection against disease or the traveler may be met along the way. As general rules, no vaccination are required for transit passenger or vaccination should be planned for. So, yung health and preventative measure travel, pag may sakit ka, hindi ka papayagan nilang lumipad, kumbaga, or magpunta sa tutunguhan mo. Kailangan mo munang magpa-vaccine para make sure na wala kang sakit. Ganun. So, yun. Thank you for listening. And